How to hard reset Tecno Pop 9 4G.
Step 1. Turn off your device.
Step 2. Press and hold both the power and volume up buttons at the same time. Step 3. Once the screen shows the No Command robot icon, keep holding the power button and tap the volume up button once. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.